Hey everyone, don't forget 500 subscribers. We are doing a giveaway for the Tech Ratchet wrench set. We are at 137ish, I think. We have a Discord channel. The link's down below in the description. And today we are looking at the Craftsman CMMT86000. It's a 3/8 52 tooth ratcheting quick. I call them a quick ratchet. It even has the little thumb ratchet part on it. These ratchets can be very handy once you figure out how to use them. When you're turning it like this, you also turn the handle to help ratchet it. Again, when you first start using these, they're not the best, fastest ratchet. Especially only being, 52 tooth. And they are bulky, as you can see, but there's a lot of stuff going on in this hand, this head. I used it all day yesterday just to see how it was. It did jam up once. With it being a 52 tooth, it should take quite a bit of torque. It does have the quick release for the socket. But they're fun little ratchets. If you've never used one, you're just not going to pick it up and master it. But you sit there and work with it for a while, you'll be surprised at how fast that you can get with this thing, even though it's only a 52 tooth. You just so every time you push it and you turn that handle at the same time, you're turning that fastener even faster. But not only that, if you get in a spot where you can't really turn it, you just go ahead and work that ratchet. So it makes it really good for in tight spots. Even though this is a bulky tool, it still gets you out of a jam. I had a 1/4-inch version of this for years, and I don't even know where it is anymore. It was a cheap version of it. It wasn't a Craftsman or anything like that, or a name brand. I probably seen it at some damn yard sale, whatever it is, for a buck or two, and I picked it up. But like I said, I used it for years. And I will be getting me another 1/4-inch. I can't tell you if it'll be Craftsman or not. I will have the link to this in the description. It's $40-something, almost $50 bill. And they can get you out of a jam for sure. The head feels nice on it. Typical 52 teeth gear system. They're just loud. The switch feels nice. Feels good in the handle. It's not a small handle. I can actually get my big paws on it and use it. But there you go, folks. Have a great day.